Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing our host for today, Miss Anne.
Alright, good morning everyone. Hi! Hi everyone. You can see our group of pigeons. Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? So ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome sounds, guest participations, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our 500 friends? Alright, I'm excited that we call my partner stage Mr. Ian to welcome our global colleague, Amigo. Okay, come on out, buddy. Come on. Come here. Okay, come on. Amigo. Come here. Go outside, buddy. Good. Alright, so we originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, a very responsible bird. He loves to see his environment. Okay, what happened? Now, careful. Okay, good, careful. Tingnan mo lang sika. Okay, Nabi. Oh, no. Okay. Jump in. Good bird. Okay, Coca-Cola hands. Okay, picture the Coca-Cola can. Walk over. Why are you looking to the island? Okay, Nabi. And jump inside. Last one, Nabi. So you pick up the paper, walk all the way over Nabi, and jump inside. Now see, if the birds can do what can't be, right? So always put your trash in the trash bin. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. And everyone, Amigo, together this fan for her friends have something to tell us. What do we listen to them? Okay, so welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, now here comes Start Flying Macaws.
Yeah.
So you're going to be level also in Kylan car. But wait, there's more. Okay, let them here. So we have a total of 6 beautiful macaws in Harvey, Kalimat, Kylan car, and 1 green winged macaw. Some macaws are very adopted, whatever environment they are in. It becomes quiet, normal for them. So if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And for their diet, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that it can crack a hard shell nuts. And we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and they are the largest, or macaws are the largest. Okay. And I guess we are back once again for quick round of applause to our flying macaws. For our next bird is a very special,
He's not leaving.
intelligent, and handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Everyone, can you say Jumbo? Jumbo! Louder, everyone, say Jumbo! Jumbo! Okay, Jumbo, come on out. Where are you? Okay, good. So here's our another green macaw named Jumbo. Everybody, wave at them. What's new? Wave at them. Hi, everyone. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers. It can grow to 3 feet from head to tail, with a tail that can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Turn around. Another one. Good. That's fine. So macaws. Okay. So we can see most of their colors after their bodies, and less colors and their 2 wings. Now I'm going to show you his wings. Can you see wings? Okay. Last one, everyone. Say wings. Good. And macaws feet are like the dactyls. That means they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that points backwards. And they also use their feet to hold up things and climb from a picture. Sa iyo ang pilihan. What will you choose? Louder, everyone. Horse or snake? Okay, let's have horse. Let's switch it. Well, Mr. Chris is prepared for the jumbled letters. Okay, I'll ask you a question, Mr. Ian. How are you today?
Fine.
You're fine. Okay, Mr. Ian, where did jumbo originally came from?
South America.
But you love saying here in the Philippines, right? Yes. Okay, let's do the horse. Good. First letter, pick the letter H. Horse. Second letter. Good. Third letter, pick the letter R. Fourth one, ready? No. No. Go back. Good. So, horse spells H-O-R-S-E, but you're wrong, huh? Okay, let's do the mathematics this side. It's an addition. I want you to give me two numbers between 1 to 10. This side. Hand sign one number between 1 to 10. Let's have 9 this side. Let's have 10. 9 and 10. Okay, 9 and 10. See what's your answer? Okay, you're busy. Sorry. Hey, Mr. R, what is Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
Okay, the Jumbo's favorite food is a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, last question. Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and science.
Are you sure? You're doubtful. So 9 plus 10. Okay, what's your answer? No. Do it for a while. No. Do it for a while, buddy. 9 plus... Hey, stop eating. You need to do that. No. 9 plus 10. Hey, come here. 9 plus 10. Good? First number, pick up the number 1. How about the last number? Come here. Okay, good. Now 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. So from all start, green ring makodri. Jumbo. Okay, thank you so much, buddy. And at this moment, I need volunteers. So who wants to volunteer? I need one kid and one adult. So please raise your hand so that Kuya Tommy will choose and give the instructions.
He's like, shit, it's gonna eat me. He looks a little scared.
Yeah, he does.
Kuya Tommy, adult teacher.
Look at that worried face.
Okay. Baby boy, stretch your arms like this. Extend your arms. Hi. Baby boy, like this. Like this. Extend your arms. No. You need to open your palm. You need to stand up also. Like this. Look at me, like this. Yes, like that. Hey, now, ladies and gentlemen, please don't touch your movement in class. And don't touch the bird. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have your orchid and fluffy sunshine name, Bunny.
Oh, he's so tiny.
Street. Don't move. So as you can see, Bunny is a very small bird, but he is also a good leader. So after Bunny will finish his food, he will go back inside to all his friends. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much, Naka. Please
He's
take
like,
your
okay,
seat.
here's him.
Sir, please be ready. Don't do extra movement and don't touch the bird. Quickly sit down. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Sagittarius Bunny's friends. So Sagittarius have golden plumage from their head down its other parts and a green waist. Palayo lang tagamay, sir, para hindi mo kayo wanatong bird. Okay? So in the wild, God. Thank you so much. And another volunteer, adult. You want her? Where are you from? Okay, come here. Proceed at this bridge. Yes, face to the crowd po. Face to them. And hold it with your right hand. Sa tip lang. Sa tip, yes. Face to the crowd. Then don't do extra movement. Just relax and don't touch the bird. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our another group of Santineers or couple bird named Ding and Dawn. So, Santineers are monogamous type bird that means they only have one partner for a lifetime. So when their partner dies, that's the only time they will find for another mating partner. And for their lifespan, they can live 20 to 25 years in the wild, while in captivity, they can live up to 30 to 35 years. Thank you so much.